Analyzing a cash flow statement doesn't have to look like L from Death Note making chess moves against a serial killer. Nor does it have to feel like Peter Griffin getting his first prostate exam. I talk a lot about keeping things simple, and despite cash flow statements being the most important of the 3 financial statements, this is also the easiest one to analyze. So strap up. This will be over quicker than waiting 4 hours in line for a 2-minute roller coaster ride at an amusement park. These 2 lads are my kids Shawn and Shy'ron when they were little turd nuggets. This is what genuine fear looks like, folks. It was so worth the wait. Hit it. What's up, everybody? Sean McMurray here with another episode of Analytical Overdrive, investing in 4 minutes. And today I have a banger for y'all. If you've been following along, this is part 2 of our cash flow statement series. Check out how I pick my stocks cash flow statements for dummies, explained here. We continue our analysis of Amazon's financial statements by analyzing their cash flow statement. 4 minutes? Yeah. We're going to break this into 3 segments. 1. Analyzing net cash from operating activities. 2. Analyzing free cash flow. 3. We'll wrap this bad boy up. I've already explained how to find the financial document. If you've missed it, check out this video, which will explain it in detail. We've already gone over what net cash from operating activities and free cash flow is in the previous video I did. Link shared previously. Okay, so net cash from operating activities. We want to go 10 years back in Amazon's cash flow statement. As you know, I like to use Yahoo Finance because it gathers all the information for you. What we are looking for is consistent year-over-year growth. Consistency is our friend. Inconsistency is our enemy. As you can see, Amazon has consistently grown its operating cash flow year over year. That's a positive mark. That's it for net cash from operating activities. Note that down. Next, let's look at free cash flow. Same scenario. We want to go 10 years back and we want consistency. If you're looking at the cash flow statement via Amazon's 10K, you'll have to do some math. I showed you how to find that information in the previous video, but the formula is free cash flow equals operating cash flow minus capital expenditures. On Yahoo Finance, this information has already been calculated for you. Somebody hit that easy button. Now, going back 10 years to 2011, Amazon's free cash flow started out rather rocky and inconsistent. 2015, we started to see some stability with a hiccup in 2017, and then consistency moving forward. We can dig deeper into Amazon's 2017 10K to see what that was about, but that's not in scope for this video. Other than that, I'm happy with what I'm seeing in Amazon's free cash flow. That's it. So what does it all mean? Amazon appears to be managing their cash flow quite well. This is an important indicator into how well a company is being operated. From 2011 to 2014, they were sketch, but they got their act together. And unless you've been living under a rock for the past 5 to 10 years, you know Amazon is killing. If you didn't get it, the whole point of this exercise is to show you how to analyze cash flow statements to aid you in your quest of finding that poverty-leaving stock pick winner. Because Santa Claus pockets is what we want at the end of the day. In the next video, we're going to wrap up all the financial statements and put together a quick checklist for you to run through each time you analyze a stock, and then onto valuations.
Are you not entertained?
If you learned something or were entertained along the way, the biggest and the easiest thing you can do to support is hit that like button. Let me know if there's a stock you'd like me to review, and we'll review it in the future videos. Don't forget to superscribe. Yes, superscribe, which means subscribe and hit that notification bell so you ensure you get notifications for all the latest videos. I'm Sean McMurray. This is my channel, Analytical Overdrive, investing in 4 minutes. Yeah.